How is this summit going to affect public health? It's a unique summit. We have people from NGOs, government, policymakers, we have entrepreneurs, we have venture capitalists, all focusing on creating a new ecosystem that can fundamentally transform how healthcare is delivered in this country, not only in this country, but around the world. As we look at one of those fundamental challenges for the healthcare delivery system, it's how are we going to give everybody access, how are we going to give great quality, and how are we going to lower cost. And by virtue of this summit and bringing this very, very unique ecosystem together, we're enabling people to focus on those three questions from a bunch of different perspectives. And hopefully that's going to give us a real innovative approach to coming up with things that will benefit the public health. Why would somebody like West Wireless come to this summit? I mean, there's a number of different reasons. First, we're a not-for-profit medical research organization that's really focusing on how do we drive the cost of health down. And this is one of the few places we can get access to academics, NGOs, policymakers, entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, and really begin to focus on creating solutions and innovative solutions that we may be able to accelerate in some form or fashion that will help us attain our end goal of lowering the cost of healthcare across the broad spectrum. It's interesting, why would somebody like West try and go to a global summit, and why is this a global summit? Well, you got people from 40 or 50 different countries, and in our mind that's really important because they are going to attack healthcare in a very, very different way in places that tend to be more government-centric, in places where it might be more patient-centric. And when you're able to compare and contrast best practices across all these environments, we think it gives you a better opportunity to finding out something that may be able to work in a different set of environments here in the United States. So while we tend to focus a little bit more of our activities in the US, we really want to look global to find the best solutions. And this is a one-stop shop where you can get 40, 50, 60 countries there. And again, it's not just policymakers from those countries. You might be able to find entrepreneurs or venture capitalists or other people who are looking to export a solution that may have a profound influence on what we do here.